In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly translate a document using Microsoft Word Online with the aid of Copilot. Whether you're working with a text in Spanish or any other language, this process can streamline your workflow and make translating text a breeze. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft 365 Home. You can do this by heading over to your web browser and typing in u.microsoft365.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account. Ensure you have your credentials handy, as this will give you full access to all the features you need for this task. Once you're signed in, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see various Microsoft applications listed. What you're looking for is the Word application, so go ahead and click on Word. This action will bring up Word Online, allowing you to work on your document directly from your browser. Now that you're in Word, you have a couple of options. You can either select an existing document from your library or create a new one if you want to start fresh. Once your document is open, paste the text that you need translated. Imagine you've got a paragraph in Spanish, for example. It's now sitting there in your document ready for translation. With your document prepared, it's time to call upon Copilot. You'll notice a right-hand panel when you're in the document. This is usually where Copilot appears. However, if for some reason Copilot doesn't automatically show up, don't worry. Just look to the top right side of your screen and there you'll see the Copilot icon, which looks like a sparkle symbol. Click on it to bring Copilot into action. Now you're ready to enter your translation request. In the Copilot chat panel, type something along the lines of, "Translate this page into English." Alternatively, if you prefer, you can copy the text from your document and paste it directly into the Copilot chat. With your request made, Copilot will quickly process the translation. You'll see the translated version displayed right there in the chat panel. Take a moment to review the translation to ensure it meets your expectations. If it looks good to you, then it's simply a matter of copying the translation from the chat panel and pasting it back into your document where you want it. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully translated your document with the help of Microsoft Word Online and Copilot. This method not only saves time, but also makes the process seamless and intuitive. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your productivity in handling multilingual documents. Thanks for watching, and happy translating.